G'day everyone, a quick unboxing sent all the way from Warri in Queensland. So Kyle, thanks very much mate for sending this through. Express post, it got here in record time. Anyway, let's have a quick look what's in the box. Brown paper, exciting. Ooh, there you go. That's right, it was a collection of scalies that you were going to send me that I could just look at and tune, repair, replace. A Lambo. Next one, oh, this is one of the Audis that you mentioned that, yeah, missing a wheel, so I'll be able to find a spare for that. These are all scalies, all with digital chips, mind you, so thanks very much, Kyle. I know somebody with a Scalatrix digital track that will bite my arm off to get hold of these cars. Ah, yes, you'll know that DTMs are my favourite, and Kyle sent me a picture of this one that was missing a rear wing, but I found a 3D printed file, or files, somebody designed one to 3D print the DTM wing. So I've done that for one of the guys in our club already, but I will be doing the same for this. I might turn this into a track beater as well. What is that? That's analog. It's just got the switch on the bottom. Okay, what else have we got in here? Okay, another scaly Porsche. There you go, what is it? Let's have a look. Porsche 987. Yeah, not bad. I don't mind that livery. The Mad Butcher. Well, I'm a bit mad, so it probably suits. Crikeys, they're bloody multiplying. Oh, yes. I used to have this Audi at one stage, a Scaly. Yeah, this one's complete. It's got 4 wheels. Again, digital chip. Look at that. Fantastic. Yeah, I like that livery. That's pretty striking. The sort of silvery, metallic silver and orange. Very nice. And what else? Here we go. Aha. So the blacked out windows. Looks like another Lambo, is it? Yes. Gallardo. Scaly, again, digital chip. Interesting. And last but not least, I believe, another Porsche. Fantastic. Can never have too many Porsches. Again, scaly, digital. Braids need replacing, but I recently ordered and received a whole wodge of braid tyres for MJK tyres. Still got the magnets in. You know, my mate Dave in Geelong, who has a Scalatrix digital track. Once he claps his eyes on these, yeah, I don't think they'll last long with me. Anyhow, let me check. Anything else in the box? What's in the box? That's it. Let's just bring these all out so you can see them all. Look at that. What a collection. Thanks very much, Kyle. Talk to you soon. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe.